Okay, here we go. It's into October almost, 2017. We're going to give the avitron a go for the money. Let's see what we can do here. Put the helmet cam on. Oops. Take my other head off. That would help. And we're going to give it a try. Out of all my things I have that fly, I really enjoy this little guy. This little guy is pretty cool. Okay, so what you do, you would put this down very gently in the saddle, and when this light turns solid green, it's charged. When you put it on charge, it flashes. When that light turns solid green, it will be ready to go for a flight. So she's ready, so let's try her out. I'm going to turn her on. Turn her on by making sure this is down and this is on, and turn this little switch, excuse me, this little switch on right here. Oh, it goes forward to the nose. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to get my sunglasses on. A little bit sunny today. And we can do with this baby. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Look at that, how that glides down. Beautiful. Look at that. Fun. Wow. You're gonna go into the wind with this, and when you do, come nice and slow. Wow, beautiful, baby. Come on back. That's it. It's about half throttle. Let's get full throttle. Come on back. That's it. Look at this. Am I getting good at this or what? Left and right, left and right. Oh, she's in the sun again. Okay, we're going to go around in circles, obviously, and we're going to come back. Okay, power off. Power on. Come on back. That's it. Come on back. We don't want you in the trees, baby. We don't want you in the trees. That's it, good boy. We don't want you in the trees. Come on back. That's it. It's basically a right and left on your stick. When you fly this, you got to bring it into the wind. Oh. Here she comes. Here she comes. Make a little right turn, a little left turn, right over my head. A little right turn, a little left turn. Come on down.